black color, black color, blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use black color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. Red color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. O and 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use blue color. Blue color. T W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow color. Yellow color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw a square. The shape of square, and use black color. Black color. The shape of square. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle, and use blue color. Blue color. The shape of circle. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart, and use red color. Red color. Kids now draw star. The shape of star, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes: square, circle, triangle, heart and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for God. H. H for hand. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wolf. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.